Hey guys, so we're gonna have, this is my first time doing this, and here it is. So today we are gonna, so this is how you do well, I don't know what it's called, but this is how you do a pad. So let me just face the camera to you guys. Oops. Okay, can you see that? I'm just making sure you guys can see that. Okay, here you go. Okay, I'll pause it. Okay, so what you do, oops, just here, that thing. What you do, you face it to your yellow, make sure the white is there, then you turn the middle twice, then you, oh wait, no, that wasn't supposed to be it, sorry guys, so make sure the green is on the other side, and so you turn the middle, like I just showed you in the beginning, yeah, okay, so you flip it over, and then turn it twice again, then you have blue and green. But first, we do the others. So, same thing, turn it over. Oops, I just made a mistake. And there you have it. All of them will be so. This is how you turn it back. So start from here, turn it twice just like last time, and then do that, do that, do that, and do that. That's it. My uncle also knows how to solve a Rubik's Cube, so make sure you leave some comments what you want to know about it. So thank you guys for watching. That's all for today, and see you guys next time. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye. Oops.